Hello, and welcome to this demo video for PTEM, Pathway Test Executive for Manufacturing. In today's video, we will be focusing on how to use mix-in parameters when developing your test plan. When building a test plan for product testing, it is common to work with constant values such as multipliers, coefficient factors that form part of formulas used to compute instrument control settings or to generate data written to your test plans. Often for convenience, we end up hard-coding these values directly into individual test steps. As your test plan grows and the number of such constants increases, it becomes harder to remember where each value was used and to update them consistently. PTEM solves this problem using mix-in parameters. Mix-in lets you convert constant values in your test steps into parameters. Once defined, you can consolidate all mix-in parameters from across your test steps into a single location in the test plan settings panel, giving you one convenient place to manage them all. This test steps configures the overvoltage protection settings for a power supply output. The command is constructed from static strings, variables, numeric constants, and arithmetic operators. We can identify the static string components and the output voltage variable, outV. A constant value of 1.2 is added to outV to determine the overvoltage protection level. The final part of the expression specifies the output channel number. In this test step, both the protection value and channel number are hard-coded. To make the test plan easier to maintain, we can extract these parameters from the expressions and expose them in the test step settings panel by assigning them to a mix-in parameter. Right-click on the empty area in the test step settings panel and select Add Mix-in. Let's name the parameter OVP. Under Options, we can choose Unit, and because this parameter represents a voltage, the unit will be V. Now that the OVP parameter has been added, let's create another mix-in for the channel number. With both mix-in parameters available, we can now insert them into the expression. First, replace 1.2 with OVP. Next, replace the channel number 1 with the channel mix-in. Enter 1.2 for OVP and set the channel to 1. You can see that the expression now matches the original command that we had before. If the OVP or channel number needs to change in the future, you can simply adjust the mix-in value in the settings panel. There is no need to manually edit the expression again. You'll see that the commands update instantly as the mix-in value changes. Now let's take this a step further. Suppose multiple test steps use the same output voltage and protection voltage parameters. We might duplicate this step to configure protection voltages for channels 2 and 3. We now have 3 test steps, each containing its own OVP parameter. This can be consolidated into a single location by parameterizing them at the parent test step or the test plan level. In this example, we will assign them to the parent test step. If we look at the parent test step power-up sequence, the OVP parameter now appears in the settings panel. From here, we can update the OVP value once, and all associated protection voltage steps beneath it are automatically updated. This removes the need to edit each step individually. So take a moment to review your test plan. By organizing key values into mix-in parameters, then centralizing shared settings, you make your test plan cleaner, easier to update, and far more scalable. We've come to the end of the demo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.